It is literally 30 degrees in my house because the air conditioner is broken. It's summertime and I'm actually sweating. So if my face is like super red in the video, that's exactly why. We're in Austria. It's so pretty. Hey guys, it's Erin, and today I'm filming a little haul video. I just got back from the mall and I just bought all this really cute stuff, so I thought I'd show you guys. So this is just gonna be a quick little haul video and I hope you guys enjoy. To get right into the video, the very first thing I got was from Sephora. Surprise, surprise. I got this Smashbox primer. It is the color correcting one. I tend to get really red in my face and my cheeks and my forehead a little, so this really helps color correct. I actually got this based on a suggestion from Casey Holmes. She always talks about it in all her videos, so I thought I'd give it a shot. I got the tattoo liner, but in the 10-year anniversary package. And I literally just got this because mine was all used up and I really needed a new one, but this one was just super cute packaging, so I thought I'd give this one a shot. The next thing I got was from American Eagle, and I wanted these so bad and I just had to get them. The first were these pair of shorts. They are so bright, so pretty. The camera's not really picking up how neon they are, but they're just these pair of shorts and they're so adorable. I love bright colors in the summertime, so this is literally perfect. The next pair of shorts that I got were also from American Eagle. They were buy one get one half, and they are this black pair. There are really nice black detailing here and here. And then the back look like this. They're just normal black denim shorts. These are like the super stretchy high-rise collection, so they're super comfortable. And the fact that they have pockets that actually like fit a phone and like stuff in it is, it's just icing on the cake, guys. The next thing is from Boathouse. This is a bathing suit that I wanted for a very long time, so I thought I would get it. I think it's just so adorable. It is this high-waisted pair of bathing suit bottoms, and they're like crisscross on the side, and I just think they're so adorable. Plus, like, you know, it like sucks in your stomach, so it makes you look extra skinny. Next, I went to Marshall's and I really wanted a denim jacket, and I got this one for sale for, I want to say $30, so it looks like this. It is just like a standard denim jacket, but what I really like about it is that the arms have like rips on it and they have like distress patterning on the bottom, so it's just like a little more original than just a straight denim jacket. Plus it's like really stretchy and it's just really good for the summertime, so I got this denim jacket. Next, I went full force in Garage and I got a lot of stuff. So the very first thing that I got was this romper, and it looks like this. I think it's super cute. It is a like strapless one. I think this would be really good if you wear it like on top of a bathing suit or something, because whenever I go to theme parks I want to wear bathing suits, don't know what to wear on top. I think this would be perfect. It's like a towel-y material. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is a towel-y material, which is really soft, and it was $30. At Garage, it was buy one get one half tube tops, and I don't have any tube tops, so I thought I would get some, and they're so adorable. So this is the first one. It looks like this. It is a plain black tube top, but on the sides there is a white and green band on both of the sides, which I think is super adorable. The next tube top that I got was this, and it kind of reminded me of like Tommy Hilfiger vibes, so I got it. And this one was much longer than the black and green one that I just showed you guys. And then the last two that I got were a different material. They're like this. So this is what the black one looks like. It's just a plain black one, super stretchy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's a different material than the other two. And then the very last one is this one, and I think it's also very adorable. There's flower patterns, and I think it just looks really good with like the black shorts. This would look good with the black shorts, and this would look good with the pink shorts that I got from American Eagle. The very last thing that I got was when I went to Winners, I got the YSL perfume set. So if you guys don't know this, my boyfriend got me a YSL perfume for my birthday last year in February, so February 2017, and it is my favorite scent of like all time. Nothing tops it. But I'm almost out of it, and I was really sad, and I didn't want to pay like $150 for a new bottle. So when I saw this at Winners, I was like, I gotta get it. So this is what is inside. It comes with a full-size perfume, a body lotion, and a shower gel. I think it's really good deal, because normally the perfume itself would be like $120, $130, but together this would be way more expensive. But I got this for $89.99, and I'm really happy I got it because my other perfume is actually running out, so now I don't have to sparingly use it because I have a new one. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and give me a big ol' like right down there. All my social media will be right over here. I know you want to click it, you want to follow me, we want to be friends. Add me on my social media. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys have any suggestions for future videos, you guys can tweet me at FlipHair22, or you guys can comment that down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to make sure you guys are updated on every time I post a new video. And don't forget, I have new vlogs coming out every Tuesday on my vlog channel, FlipHair22 Vlogs. Put that right here in the cards above. And I'll see you guys next week for another Flip Hair Friday. Bye!